Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday morning, October 26th. We are looking at market profile here on Window Trader of SPY, IWMN, Triple Qs, and surprise, surprise, we're looking to gap higher again. Nice little double distribution so far from the overnight. As we sold off a little bit late in the day yesterday, and I mean a little bit in L&M, and they tried an N. We did fill one set of single prints. We have two left from yesterday. Remember, we all had trend days up, and now we're all looking to possibly gap higher with 75 minutes to go. I mean, look at Russell. Russell over 230 right now. Now they're only $4 or $5 away from their all-time high. Even Qs, they're going the same way this morning. Triple Qs are within $2 of their all-time high. SPY and ES now have all-time highs in the pre-market once again. As far as destinations, right now the upside, we have 457.55, which is our all-time pre-market high. The overnight low right now is 454.77. The only destination I'll give you is yesterday's high, because if we gap higher, it will now be a downside destination. That's 455.90. It was also a poor high. So right now we have a gap of a little over $1. We'll see if that holds. But whether it holds from this point or through 9:30, if the gap is $1 or less, I don't mind taking a call play. You can take a call play. I'm out if that gap fills, and then I would reassess. If the gap doesn't fill, your first destination would be the overnight high, and then again clear skies above us. If in the next 75 minutes we don't gap high and we open into the upper distribution, I'd probably be waiting to see what would happen, because you'd be in value, in balance. I did a consultation last night. We went over every scenario where the market might open and what our play would be. And this was one of the plays, a gap of possibly between 50 cents and $1 to look for the call play. If this gap gets any bigger in the next 75 minutes, then I will not be looking for a call play. I'd be looking for some sort of inventory adjustment, as this market is incredibly long. Same goes for the Russell and Qs as far as taking call plays against these gaps. We are above the 2-month balance right now. We're above last month's high right now. 4 days to go in the month. Do we have an outside month up? So here is the monthly right now. We're attempting to close above last month's high. We'll see by Friday if that's the case. We have a lot of big tech earnings this week. And then don't forget, we have the Fed next Wednesday. Weekly, one time framing up and very healthy. And the daily, one time framing up, it's up also now. Again, the volume, yesterday, 45 million. The volume's horrendous. The structure's horrible. Doesn't mean we're not going to keep making new highs. As you can see, we continually do that. But in the bigger picture, unless we get bigger players involved to get a better foundation built on this move up, we're going to give so much of this back at some point. I mean, you can see it here on the daily chart just quickly, the way you run up. Now, you don't know how long it's going to take. They took some back here, goes back up, and then boom, take this all back. Go all the way up, take it back. Look at this. It's what's been played before affects what happens next, traders. Up, take it back. Up, take it back. Look, up, take it back. You think it's going to be any different here? I don't know how many more days will go up like this, but at some point you take a bunch of it back. Just keep that in mind. But for now, you have to trade what the market is telling you. Good luck trading today. Have a great day, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.